Now in the campaign, if you want to activate or deactivate a certain list, it's again a very simple process. We just need to select the campaign that we want to reactivate the list. On the campaign, we'll go to the bottom. Right now Scarborough is activated. If I want to change it to Whitby, I just need to remove the tick from Scarborough. I'll select Whitby, I'll come down, I'll submit here. So automatically Scarborough will be deactivated. Yes, I have to remember to force reset the hopper once again. So this 2000 leads of Scarborough that is there, that will get moved, and we will only be getting Whitby calls. And again, same, if you want to run multiple areas, I can select multiple areas and I can just submit it here. I'll bring it back again, I'll change it to as it was. This is just so that I can show you guys. This is again part of list management that we have been into. So any lead that we need to activate or deactivate, we can do it in their respective campaigns. Once again, how do we reach this place? We go to the campaign mains, whichever campaign we need to change the city, go to that specific campaign, come down, you will see all the list that has been loaded under that specific campaign. I can activate, deactivate, submit. That is the way we will do the list management. Now a very important part that we were discussing about is how to reset our data. Now in every campaign when we are in, we will be able to see how many numbers are there that are good to dial. So here it's about, we have about 3000 numbers in total. They are good to dial, including hopper and the campaign. Now if I want to reset a specific list, let's say this becomes 0, campaign leads will become 0, hopper will become 0, the agents will stop getting calls, everybody will be in idle. So there are two methods how we can rechurn our data. One is a lengthier process, but that's again something that we can do. Any list that is activated, I want to rechurn that particular list. I'll go on that list. There is an option to modify. I'll click on modify. Here right below the active list status, there is a status that says reset lead call status for this list. So it will always be N. I need to change it to Y. Once I'll change it to Y, I would submit at the bottom, and all the dialed list, that the numbers that are good to be redialed that we have selected in the campaign will be rechurned so that they are good to be dialed again. Here in every list at the bottom, you will be able to see the status of that particular list, how many times the data has been rechanged. This is like 3 times it has been rechanged. This will be the 4th time it will be running, right? And in this there is no count as yet because it's still to be dialed. So we'll get to see how many answering machine auto is there, and all dispersion wise bifurcation you can see in the list. So every time we see a specific list have been dialed about 9 to 10 times, that means this list is not good anymore. Whatever numbers would be left would be majorly not connecting or answering machine numbers. That is where we will have to change to a different area because the connectivity would be very low. That's how we do the rechurn in one part. Now the second thing, how do we do the rechurn of the list, is very easy. This is what we follow. I'll be sharing the link also with you. This is like reset campaign, reset underscore campaign underscore list dot php. We just need to follow it from Visidile. From there make the changes. This URL I'll give it to everyone, and here when we will come in, we will see all the campaigns here. So regardless of how many lists is active in a certain campaign, I just need to select that specific campaign, active list only, and I'll click on submit. So there is only one Scarborough list that was activated in that particular campaign, and it will get rechurned. So if we will have more lists, there will be more of reset taking place. So now I've changed to installation X client. If I'll submit, there are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 lists. All this list will get reset. So the total count would be there that is good to be redialed. So it's an easy process wherein we would not have to do it on a specific campaign for a specific list. We can do it all together, and it would just take a minute, and automatically we will have all the numbers who are good to be dialed. Now I can check if this, after this list have been rechurned, how many good numbers we have that we can dial. Over here we can see there are so many different lists that are active, And here at the bottom now we have about 4100